I'm no expert, but he says that this was the suggestion made, but it was not done. Perhaps we would not have this problem had it been implemented.
I'm sure there are lots of things that we could have done over the last 75 years where there would have been no problems, the Yamuna would not be dirty, it would be absolutely pristine. But the situation today is what it is. The situation is that Haryana is supposed to give us water which comes into the Wazirabad barrage. It is treated at the Wazirabad treatment plant and it supplies water to at least 30% of Delhi. That water was heavily polluted. It had lots of ammonia in it because it does not get treated upstream.
But
because there
if the Delhi Jal Board has not laid this pipeline which could have avoided the polluted ammonia water which has been discussed for 5 to 6 years. We're not talking about something that happened 5 days ago. 5 years is a fairly long time, even you would admit. And Charu Pragya, is this just cherry picking of data as Preeti Sharma Menon seems to suggest?
Madhav, I think we are really digressing from the issue.
Barrage, you are going to poison the water.
That's not the point, ma'am. The high ammonia is a seasonal problem, as we mentioned in the minutes of this meeting. Okay, Charu Pragya, are you poisoning the water?
So, this is what I wanted to point out to the Aam Aadmi Party spokesperson. Today, talking about pollutants is different from literally saying there was an act of war from your neighbor state and your very own country in the state of Delhi. That is exactly what the ex-Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal has said, and that is what we have a problem with. How can you say the water has been deliberately poisoned? How can you say this is water terrorism? You're talking about things like genocide. That is the problem, and that is what the Election Commission has also taken cognizance of. The deadline now is tomorrow 11 a.m. Furnish proof or face the consequences. See, this series of lies after lies being told by the Aam Aadmi Party this time has gone a step too far, Madhav. Imagine a responsible citizen, forget the fact that he's an ex-chief minister. He's making statements like, पानी में जहर मिला दिया जी, हमारे इंजीनियर ने पकड़ लिया, बहुत अच्छा हुआ. क्या आप झूठ बोलते जा रहे हैं? Because the CEO of Delhi Jal Board has clearly said that this entire statement was factless. This was essentially a big fat lie told by Arvind Kejriwal to the people of Delhi to serve his own selfish political motives. You know why? Because he needs to distract, he needs to digress, because he cannot answer on the point that when 28,400 crore has been spent by Delhi Jal Board apparently to clean the water in the city, why is it that 80% of the water supply in the city of Delhi is not clean? Tell me where the 8,000 crore has gone, which the central government is giving.
Let's see what the response of Mr. Kejriwal. He has until 11 o'clock tomorrow to respond to the Election Commission. But